guys, so in this video it's going to be super fast, super quick. We are only going to be doing the back placket in this video. I know a lot of people kind of get a little bit nervous about plackets, and you do not need to get nervous. There are two methods that I particularly like. One is what I call the continuous placket method, and I have another video on how to do that, and that is what the method I use for this garment. It's just a really simple way to put a placket in and have it all come together nicely, particularly if you are new to plackets. There's no folding involved or no measuring here or there or whatever. The bottom of the placket might seem like it gets a little bit tricky, but check that video that's linked down below and it walks you through it. Of course, if you have any questions after seeing it, by all means put them down in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. The other method you could use is a folded plaque method. I have another video on how that works too. It might be a little bit cumbersome to use in this particular garment because you don't have a ton of room to work with. I mean, I guess you have about a ½ inch or something if I remember correctly. So I would lean towards the continuous placket method, but I will link both down below. You can watch both of them and see what route you want to go with. Like I said, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching and I hope to catch y'all on the next one.